Hello and welcome back to the one more tutorial of Drytis series, and today we will see the Drytis support dashboard. So in the previous video we talked about the real-time support of engineers to the clients. So that means how clients get help when they have any kind of issue, okay, while they are developing their project. So what happens for engineers, there's a dashboard as support.drytis.ai. So what they have this dashboard option. They have live code and live code chat. So first we will see what this live code is. So here I have this live code option, and I have some filters over here. For example, I have put this on open filter over here. Sorry. What happens whenever the client or user has some issues with this project? For example, let me select any project over here. For example, if this is a project, okay, and let me select another so that I can show you properly. Okay, for example, this is the project over here, and as me being the user, I was working on this project. Okay, but what happened, sometimes I'm stuck somewhere due to the API issue or any service I need to set up. What I will click, what I will do over here, let me try this again. So here it shows as live got, that means support available. That means once I click on this, okay, what will happen? A request will be shown over here. For example, let me try to raise a request over here. If I am available, this able to raise, I'm clicking on this. It's showing waiting for an engineer to accept. For example, if I am here, I am an engineer and I am live over here. It's showing me the task here. I had to simply click on accept task, and it will connect me with the client or the user with this meeting over here, where I have to discuss with the client what issues he is facing. Okay, so this is how it goes. For example, let me cut it over here. So once I accepted the request, I will be connected with the client or the call. Okay, and he will be discussing what issue he is facing, and I had to kindly listen to him. Later on, when the call finishes, I will come back to the same this live code menu over here, and I will click on accepted one. Okay, and in the accepted bar, it will show me the tasks over here that I have accepted. Okay, so right now I am already working on a task. Let me stop this. Okay, so what will happen, for example, I have to work on this project now. Okay, so we will discuss that later, how we have to start the timer and how we will get the project access as an engineer. um, this was about the live code, and this is another live code chat. Okay, meanwhile, you are working on a project, and what happens, you had discussed everything, every requirement of the project, the issue that the client is facing. Okay, you had discussed all that with the client on the call, but for example, later on you need some clarification from the client, and you are already working on his project. What you will do, so at that time he won't be available. What you will do, you can simply go here, and this was a recent chat. Actually, it's not a chat, this has been popped over here, which I have accepted. I can just simply click here and send him the message that I need this and that clarification. Okay, it's all about live code chat. And we can also go to this dashboard. Let me reject this call. Okay, we can go to the dashboard, and what we can do, here we will get one more option. Okay, when we are working on a project, we will call on live code access, and we will redirect to this dashboard. Okay, so if engineer need to connect with the client on a meeting, he can go to this workspace. Okay, if the chat option is not available there, etc., okay, he can click on this meeting, and he will be meeting link will be sent to the client. Okay, and this is how the dashboard is working. And after that, we have one more menu, that's dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard it's showing you the profile completion. Okay, your completed meetings, etc. And one more thing is invoice, and it will be showing you the invoice, how much work you have done, etc. Okay, and this is the history tab. And final option is, which we need to complete. Here we have this profile section. We have to fill all the details over here, as I have already filled the details. And there are some more options. We have to fill these options. Okay, to make it sure that our profile is completed, in order we will get all the tasks which are being raised or requests which are being raised by the client. Okay, and there is one more option. Let me show you here, skills. Okay, so we have to make sure that we have added every skill that we are having or that we are processing. For example, I have this Python skill, so I will do here Python. Okay, actually it's already added over here. It's showing me Python over here, so I have added all the skills I have. Similarly, you have to add the skills, addresses, this language, etc. Whatever you have. Okay, this is how you have to complete your personal profile. It was one more video. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.